Okay, yes. So, that was a bit of a tough game. Wonder if I can do better this one coming up. So, Pisher, what's his history like? He's lost a few on 3 minute there. He lost the 5 minute game to a 24-10. Okay, a 2-4-6-2. Oh, I've got all the luck today with people over 2400 on the ICC auto bearing. Oh dear, what is going on today? I'll get rid of the bishop maybe, or bishop a6, without weakening my dark squares too much. So maybe at some point, but just bear that in mind. So knight c3, rook c1. Okay. I don't know, maybe knight d5, a3 and knight d5 might be the way of playing it. Weakening c4 a bit. I'm trying to get pressure on the e file. I'll take that guy. There's knight d5 here. Oh, he can take and win b2 now. I can play rook b1 after, I hope. Well, I've just lost the pawn. It's bishop c3. Well, mind you, there's rook e7. It's getting a bit complicated. Bishop a3, rook b7. Bit of pressure. Maybe it's okay. Okay, so I've got pressure on e7. Doesn't look that bad. I'm hitting a7, d7. Can I not win a pawn back? So avoid him having a massive outside pass pawn, preferably. I can still take and take on a7 here, because I'm hitting the bishop. So he's weakened his king a bit. If bishop c5, maybe rook e7, actually going a pawn up. Or rook e7 here. It's got shattered pawns. So something like bishop f6 looks good, threatening mate. Rook c4, bishop f6. The rook goes back to c8 though. Something stronger there. Check. King g7. Don't think there would be anything that strong. Okay. So what about here? Just rook d7 then. If rook c4, bishop d6. Can't see anything stronger than rook d7. Right. Rook d7 it is. So if I take, I'm not losing a piece, am I? Check, king h2. Don't think so. So it looks to be a nice rook and pawn ending. He's got dice pawns and a clear pawn up. Against the 2-4-6-2? That's a bit weird, isn't it? His bullet rating is 16-1-6 over like 33 games. Okay, so hopefully he's not too good here in this rook and pawn ending. G3, king g2. Keep the king out of the 6th rank. King can come back and you can try and win d5. Where does my king belong? G3, king g2. His king comes, say, to e7. I can play rook h6 there. So I'll go with that and try and fix this f-pawn. Or g4 here. f3 king h2. Rook d2 king g3. So I want king g2 to f3. So his pawn's being doubled here. How would I make progress? If his king comes to e7, then rook h6. A rook d7 check here. Is that useful? h4, there's h5 maybe. f3, there's rook d2. Let's go with rook d7 anyway. King g6, that he can't get his king out that easily. So maybe d6 now. How do I make progress there? d6. Okay, I'm going to lose on time or something. h4, h5. Anything clear? Rook e7 to e4. Rook e7 takes on d5, king f3. He's got rook d3 winning h4, so h3. So maybe h4, h5. Let him play h5. Rook d6 first, then there's king g5. Okay, so I'll do this. I'll get the pawn off the firing line of the rook. So f3, I can, or g5, and then there's rook d7. Have I lost the plot here? So it was a good position, maybe, and I've just lost it. Let's just take here for a check over here. Offer a draw, which he's not accepting. 38 seconds. He's going to force a win out of this. So I'm down to my last 35 seconds. With if king g4, there's f3 and rook g7 check. Okay, can I get my king up? With king h3. Cut his king off. Oh dear. Oh, what a sad game. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Sorry. It was good there for a while. But even here, you know, it's difficult for him with the king cut off, surely. I'm just going to lose on time anyway. Oh well. Yeah, I thought that was good for a while. Of course, it was a good position. There were some hang-ups here I had about the h3 pawn and f3. There was check, but my rook's sort of tied down to d5, but I'm pretty sure I shouldn't lose this position. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks so much.